So Snapchat stock is down 39%. And in this video, we are going to be talking about, should you buy this stock? We're going to be breaking down everything. So I hope you guys enjoy it. If you guys get anything in value out of this video, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, concerns, ask them down below. So starting off, what's kind of been going on with Snapchat? Well, looking at the chart, you'll notice that this thing has been getting crazy sell-off from about $83 all the way down here to $9. Well, the reason why we had this huge growth up is because of the lockdowns, right? The lockdowns when everybody was inside going on their phones or their TVs and whatnot. The stock went from about $7 all the way up to $83. During this time, Snapchat started releasing great numbers, killing it on revenue and all of their metrics. And then what we saw is this huge gap down where pretty much Snapchat released some earnings and it was, whoa, you guys are starting to lose money, revenue, and consumers. So what we saw is this massive decline where they still brought in about $1 billion, but they missed their earnings by about $33 million. And on that past earnings, right, looking at the next couple, you'll notice a little bit of some growth in here, but more sell-off. And then on their most recent earnings, which caused the stock to get obliterated, they missed it by about $27 million. And their revenue was only up 13%. And for a growth stock, that is terrible because you're looking at a minimum of about 20 to 25% for that revenue growth if you want to see any growth out of the stock. On top of that, Snapchat does plan on slowing down on hiring, which is never a good sign, right? You need people to grow. That's why companies like Google, Apple, all of those love to hire because hire really brings, creativity and overall more revenue. So right now, Snapchat does have, a couple $1 billion in cash, so they're not going to run out of cash anytime soon. But right now, what we see is Snapchat actually starting to lose cash flow, which is never a good sign. Cash flow still continues to fuel the business. So right now, the cash flow is at about $116 million compared to the $146 million. So that is something to take into consideration as well. And they plan on doing a stock split for who knows why, right? Why would a company want to do a stock split when the stock's only $9? But overall, answering that question, should you buy Snapchat, right? I have Snapchat and I've been getting obliterated by it, but I only have it at about 1% of my portfolio size. So my mindset behind it was high risk, high reward play. They are invested into augmented reality. And I definitely think that's where Snapchat's future lies, is in that they own a company that does do like sunglasses, and kind of how it works is the sunglasses and you will have like messages come up, emails, Snapchats, you can take pictures on them. It's actually a really, really cool concept. High risk, high reward. That's why I bought in. So am I going to sell? Probably not, but am I going to buy? Absolutely not. Right now, Snapchat is in uncharted waters, and I think, yes, you could be buying at a discount, but personally, this stock could continue to sell off. The only way I would be interested in buying it is below 731. Right at that support would be the only time I would consider buying it. But overall, guys, Snapchat is just not for me, and I am going to take a hard pass on this. Personally, if I was going to invest into a social media stock, I probably would invest in Meta. The reason why is because they have better growth outlooks. They understand cash flow better and they understand their future. They're highly invested into, the metaverse. They own Oculus. They bring in tons of money and they're continuing to grow and innovate, comparing it to Snapchat where they're not doing that. So right now, you'll notice that, yes, Meta got absolutely obliterated, but looking at some of the, their earnings, they are still bringing in heavy amounts of money. And I think that's where the better future lies. On top of that, guys, I think you can't argue $40 billion in cash, and that's kind of what we've seen with Meta here. But overall, guys, that is the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, hit that like button, subscribe, and guys, we did announce a new merch line. So it's GTFM. get the blanking money. Hope you guys enjoyed it. We'll see you guys later. Remember to stay happy, stay positive, and stay safe. We'll see you later.